In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate and utilize some essential features in Microsoft Teams, focusing on the process of mentioning participants in your online meetings. Whether you're new to virtual meetings or looking to optimize your collaboration skills, this guide will provide you with the clarity you need. Let's get started by launching Microsoft Teams, a platform that many of us rely on for virtual collaboration and communication. As you open Teams, you're stepping into a hub of various tools and services designed to make remote working as efficient as possible. Once you're inside Microsoft Teams, you'll notice a straightforward, user-friendly interface designed to help you find your way around with ease. Next, at the heart of any collaborative session is your meeting space. Imagine you've joined an ongoing meeting. Here, one of the key aspects is being able to effectively communicate with your team members. That's where the chat feature comes into play. Look towards the navigation bar, and you'll find an option marked Chat. Clicking on this will lead you into the chat window, which serves as your real-time communication channel during the meeting. Now, to enhance your communication within the chat, especially in busy meetings, mentioning specific participants can be incredibly beneficial. This tactic ensures that your message catches the attention of the intended recipient, even amidst a flurry of messages. To do this, begin by opening your chat box. Here, you'll want to type the @ symbol followed immediately by the name of the participant you wish to address. For example, simply typing @ followed by their username will highlight them, making your message stand out. This approach is especially useful when you have a specific comment or question directed at a single person, or when seeking input from someone who might not be actively monitoring the chat feed. Additionally, using mentions can help maintain an organized conversation flow, making it clear who each message is intended for without repeating names in every sentence. So, there you have it, a quick yet effective method to streamline your messaging process during Microsoft Teams meetings. Once you've utilized the mention feature, you've essentially completed the key steps for enhancing your digital communication through Microsoft Teams. Remember, mastering these small but impactful skills can significantly enhance your productivity and efficiency in any team setting. Keep practicing these steps so that using them becomes second nature in your meetings. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep exploring Microsoft Teams for more features that can improve your virtual collaboration experience. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to watch other videos in this series to further refine your digital skills.